Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fill the shape with the color on the Notein application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here go to the tool settings section, the second section in the settings, and here you can find the fill shape with color option. If you want to turn turn on, just click to the next gray circle, and if it will be turned blue, this function will be enabled. If you want to turn off, just click that again, and that's it. And if you want to set the opacity of that, just click to the blue circle and just pull on the line, and you can set the percentage of the opacity. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.